Hey guys, what is up?
Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So as you know, there is so much happening right now in the crypto markets. The Shib ecosystem has been hit hard, okay? We've been seeing some dips. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, okay? Unless you want to see it that way. But there is definitely a lot of momentum. We're waiting for Shibarium, and I think it's important to know what other people are thinking. So here it is. I found an interesting post that says, "Don't watch price, learn and build, free dev production help." So it says, "Hi all, I notice a lot of gloomy sentiment with macro market conditions being as dismissal as they are. I wanted to offer some reason for optimism. Instead of looking at the price, think of something you'd like to see on Shibarium and start building it. How? Start Googling and I'm here to answer any questions. The beauty of decentralization is that we don't need to wait for someone to promise us riches. 100% of the value of Bone will be what we build on it. Think of your favorite gaming system. It's useless without the games. You are so early and the digital world is your cryptographic oyster if you look past the price and you put some work in. Once a week on Sundays, I'll answer any Ethereum, EVM development or production questions your DApp needs. Just post them here. We don't need ties if we lift each other." So, very interesting post, okay? I would even see it as a motivational, as a type of post to make you understand that the big thing is coming and you should really look away from all the negatives that are happening in those days, okay? Now, let's get into it and see what the people have to say about it. I like your thinking. Unfortunately, I'm much better at leading and mentoring than I am out computer programming. Probably best if I just hold and pay attention to my current job more than staring at the charts. Thanks for the positivity. Right on, it takes all skill sets to make a successful blockchain. I couldn't agree with you more. I'm a programming newbie, but I have a goal of building a new style of blockchain gaming that incorporates and welcomes more players. And of course, Shibarium will be my blockchain of choice. Would it be fine if I sent you direct messages as my questions arise? If it's not sensitive information, best to post publicly here on Shibarium so that others can learn. Also, but if its security is at stake, then sure, you can DM. Excited to see your project when it's ready. Here's a sneak peek of Shibarium using the top post of all time. I want us to show that we are the strongest community out there. Imagine how proud you can feel after it. So let's get it. How familiar are you with JavaScript, Hadoop, Ruby, Python, and Spack? Out of those, I use JavaScript and Python. So interesting stuff, okay? This is more of a type of programming post. Is it helpful for everyone? I mean, you don't really have to be a programmer to really understand that. Shibarium is going to be used for a lot of other developments. And the whole point of this probably post is for you guys to really dive deep into the fact that it will all be based on Shibarium, and anything before that really doesn't matter. Okay, we're seeing some crypto crashes. We're seeing, Bitcoin dip. It doesn't really matter. Yeah, the chart is showing that things are going down, but on the other hand, a lot of buying opportunities are presented. So it is really for you guys to remember that we are here waiting for the big day, okay? The announcement of Shibarium, for Shibarium to come out, and then a Bone is going to be used for every single transaction, which will push up the price and give it more exposure, give it the opportunity to be listed on the big exchanges. All this stuff is going to pump the price up like no tomorrow. But as of now, we are still in the waiting, okay? The waiting game, put it this way. And you guys have to remember why you initially invested in Bone. It was all based on Shibarium. And if you are watching other news, okay, other factors, and they are kind of the contributing factor to you panicking and leaving your investments, running away, cashing out, taking out your money, and not sticking to your game plan, well then, I don't know, perhaps you shouldn't even invest. Get a normal 9-to-5 job and forget about all this investment. Because investments, the real investors, they stick to their game plans and they make them happen. We all know exactly what's going to happen when the layer 2 solution comes out. I mean, we have other cases to look at in the past that would kind of resemble Bone Token's route. I mean, look at Polygon, look at BNB. All this stuff is very, very similar, and how well they did. So there's no reason for Bone Token not to do well. It is the offspring token of Shiba Inu. People made so much money from Shiba Inu. Now it's Bone Token's time. So for those of you that have loaded up, you guys are doing a great job. I know a lot of you are still in profit, even though we are dipping like no tomorrow. Some of you are still in profit. For those of you that bought in 0.3, 0.4, when you were listening to my videos at the time, a few months ago, and I was telling you these are the great opportunities. So here it is, you know, take into account a lot of new things are going to be built around Shibarium. Shibarium is the key, it is the nucleus, it is the brain, and that's why you should not be missing out on this great day. Right now, developers are working on it. It has been specified that now it is the project that is definitely taken into account. When Shiba Eternity came out, it has been said that now all the focus is on Shibarium. So in order, guys, for you not to miss out, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you hit that notifications bell, hit the like button, share, also comment down below, let me know what you're thinking, what you're doing, very important. And yeah, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.